look like shit. Anyways, good morning. My eye boogers say good morning too. Benny says good morning. Benny, say good morning. Never mind. I woke up late because I stayed up late uploading the second vlog, which is now up. So if you're watching this and you haven't seen the second one, please go watch it. It was really, really fun. But today is Friday and I'm excited because we're gonna do pretty much like the whole studio over. Well, not the entire thing, but we're gonna rearrange a bunch of stuff. So Benny's excited. Whoa, that was Benny too. Okay, I'm gonna go get my chia pudding that I made yesterday because I'm starving. And yeah. Are you hungry? Do you want breakfast? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. I've been looking forward to this since yesterday. Let's see if it turned out pretty good. Alright, so far looking good. Doesn't look like it's clumpy. Alright, it's looking good. I mixed it with coconut milk, so that's why it kind of looks kind of frothy. But I'm gonna add some granola and some banana and a bunch of berries, and then I'll show you guys the finished result. So I'm adding banana, and I thought about this one time. I saw, I don't know if it was a vegan YouTuber or I don't know who it was, but they were cutting up banana and they're like, now you're gonna add banana coins. And I was like, what the hell? What are banana coins? I'm sorry. Banana coins? You mean slices? Whatever. It's like, why you gotta make it complicated? Why you gotta make it sound fancy? I'm sorry, I can't use these banana coins to go get my favorite bubblegum. I can't use these banana coins to get my stickers from the little vending machines. So I'm gonna stick to banana slices. Oh my God, I found my quarter cup. Where were you yesterday? But personally, I like blackberries with this, but you know what? It's fine. Just go with what you got. I don't know if this is too excessive, but I don't think there is such a thing as too much blueberries. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of this on top. I highly recommend this, but also I don't because it's pretty much crack. And all I wanna do is eat the whole jar, but this is really good. This is a definite repurchase at Trader Joe's. So I'm supposed to meet Sarah at noon. I don't think that's gonna happen. Well, I'm hoping. Heaven. We have a lot to do today. We have to go to Harbor Freight to pick up this table that we need. We're gonna do a lot of rearranging in the studio today. And I'm excited because I just like to rearrange things in general. And it kind of like helps with like stimulating the brain and being like problem solving, like a real life Sudoku puzzle. Does that make sense? Is that accurate? I don't know. It's gonna be fun. I hope it's not as hot because I seriously don't want to be sweating. And then I will, what was I gonna do? See, this is what I mean all the time. Oh, I'm gonna publish my photos today for the stationery, which will launch on Monday. And I'm gonna do a bunch of research because I wanna get a printer for the studio and I don't wanna have to keep using the one at home. So it's just like there and ready to go. So we'll see. I'm also kind of like been thinking about collection 3. It's in my head. I just gotta put it on paper and like fabricate it. But it's just like putting everything together. I don't know, I'm going for a theme that my instructor for a lapidary class gave me, so I'm kind of like going away from my creative process in a way, because my creative process is very straight to the point. well, for me, it's very straight to the point. But I think this gives me an opportunity to try something different, to approach something in a way completely different. Because I think I'm still stuck from everything that I learned in school and some of the stuff that I learned in grad school before I dropped out. Yes. Grad school dropout. So maybe I'll make a video about that, why I dropped out of grad school. Anyways, but yeah, you know, I went to the same undergrad and grad school, and I've been trying to find more workshops and stuff to kind of like just expand on my technical skills and such. So this teacher gave me the opportunity and was nice enough to even give me like a homework per se. So I wanted to adapt that to my creative process and see how it goes, because sometimes I get frustrated with my own creative process because it's just what has been ingrained in my brain for so long. So it would be nice to try something new. I'm excited though. I used to be really nervous about trying new things and kind of just stepping away from the ordinary, but it's been very exciting. Almost like trying new food, or like, yeah, that's probably the closest that I can, yeah, that's probably the closest thing I can relate it to. Like trying new food, or trying a new perfume. Now that's risky. Trying a new perfume. Like, because I'm the type of person that you have to spray it on your skin because it just doesn't smell the same on paper. But then if it sucks, then you kind of like stink the rest of the day. Or it's on your clothes until you wash them. So yeah, maybe a little bit more riskier like that, like trying a new perfume. Whoever invented chia pudding, like who does that? Like who thinks to do that? Oh, just add whatever milk you want. Or as a egg substitute. Like who does that? Like peanut butter, like who thought to grind up these peanuts? Or like just tortillas in general, like let's grind up these corn and add a little bit of water and then put it over fire. I think chefs in general don't get enough credit because it's like food is medicine. As corny as that sounds, like live, laugh, pray, or however that shit is. But yeah, I don't think chefs get enough credit. Oh shit, I almost knocked this over. But yeah, I think chefs should get more credit. I think every restaurant should have like the photo of the chef in front, like they're making and prepping your food. Because it's art. It really is. It really is. Like how many different ways can you make a hamburger? It's crazy. Now they got fucking, oops, can I curse? Sorry. Now they got donut buns and pretzel buns. Buns. Okay, I'm gonna stop. Oh, you beat me. Sorry.
Well, it was open. It was open.
Oh, she started.
Before video and pictures.
Wow. Okay. So yeah, she already started. Good job.
look at that.
Oh my god! Whoa! Okay, I need to put my shit down so I can help you. If it's one thing I appreciate about Harbor Freight is that they always have their AC on blast, and that is key to the shopper's best experience. And there she is. To purchase. Yeah. Here we go.
Well, why did we grab this thing?
Because I thought we were gonna have to put it in the cart.
I know.
Whoops.
My hip is stuck under the bus.
Oh my god.
Wait. We can make this happen.
Okay. Let's do this. Safety first.
I just have to sit like this with you.
So we got the table. We probably won't put it together till Monday because we have all this other stuff to do. Sarah has a meeting at 3, so I highly doubt that we'll be done by 3. So we'll see. Your expertise.
Let's put that go around this leg.
Wow. Leaving the studio. I didn't get to finish everything, but we got like, I want to say like 50% done for sure. Monday we'll probably finish. We didn't even get to put the table together. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. It was hot in there. Air quality isn't the best, especially since we were dusting, but I think the air purifier that I bought maybe like a couple months ago, I had that on blast, so I'm hoping that kind of filtered the air I was breathing a little bit, because it's been so hard to find P100 and N95 masks even when I do lapidary work, so I've just been using the regular surgical ones. But I mean, obviously people who work in the medical field need them more than I do, so I'm hoping that in the future, near future, because for collection 3 I'm going to start cutting again, that I'll be able to get my hands on one. So we'll see. Maybe that's another investment. I just need to buy the gas mask and then just buy the right filters for the particle and all that good stuff. But oh man, I just want it to not be hot anymore so I can thrive, because I thrive in cold for sure. That's my time to shine, when it's cold. But does it ever really get cold in California? Where's that meme? There's always that meme with the big scarf. I think it's Lenny Kravitz wearing it. If I find it, I'll post it. But yeah, I'm gonna go home, make some food, play with Benny, and just literally veg out because I'm exhausted. And tomorrow will be my day off, and Sunday. So I don't know if I'm gonna do like a part 1, part 2 of this vlog. Maybe I'll just do part 1, and then on Monday I'll continue filming, and then I'll do like day 2, completing studio, blah 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 blah. So yeah, I hope you all have a good weekend, and depending on when I publish this on YouTube, I hope you all had a great weekend. I hope you're all being safe. Not trying to get all Walter Mercado on you guys, but I hope you have a good one and you guys stay safe. Okay, bye!